Why do clients get ESA phase ones on commercial properties? What are the risks involved? Why does it involve document research? Why does it involve a site visit? I'm Britt from WB Treese Consultants, and I want to answer those questions and more today. An ESA phase one is an environmental site assessment. It's designed under an ASTM standard to try to look for and eliminate risks on any kind of property, but it's most often used on commercial properties. It looks for risks in the land, in the soil, in the form often of petroleum and chemicals. It comes before a phase two, which is where drilling is involved. It is part of your environmental due diligence process to make sure that nothing in the property's history will present you a problem in your property's future. Check us out at WBTC3.com.